On number 10, we have actor Ji Chang-wook. Ji Chang-wook stood on number 10 by taking $50,300 per episode. He is very well known for his singer and his acting career, and he is on number 10 highest paid Korean actor in 2021, and he have given a very notable dramas in this year. The next actor who stood on number 9 is Song Joong-ki. He also took the $50,300 per episode, and he is very well known for the dramas like Descendant of the Sun, and one of his most famous drama recently, which went really crazy in 2021, is Vincenzo. He stood on number 9. The next actor is Lee Jong-suk. He also stood on number 8 by taking the $50,300 per episode. He is the youngest male model to ever participate in the Seoul Fashion Week, and he is the 8th highest paid Korean actor in 2021 who worked in the several drama and gave the very prestigious and notable work in the Korean drama. The next actor stood on number 7 is Yoo Ah-in. He took $59,000 per episode. The actor is the globally awarded film Burning, and Yoo Ah-in is the 7th richest Korean actor in 2021. He is also the first Korean actor to be in the list of the best actors and has been awarded Dragon Award for a best leading actor. The next actor who stood on number 6 is Lee Seung-gi. He took $59,000 per episode. He is multi-talented and is a South Korean actor, singer, host, and an entertainer. He stood 6th highest paid Korean actor in 2021. He started his singing career at the age of 17. His first song was Because You Are My Girl. The next actor is Lee Min-woo. He stood on number 5th by taking the $62,000 per episode. Lee Min-woo made a fortune with his role in A Boys Over Flower. His most notable films include The Hires, Legend of the Blue Sea, and The King Eternal Monarch. He is the 5th highest paid Korean actor. And he is one of the most handsome and most talented Korean actor who has given almost hit every drama. The next Korean actor is Seo Ji-sub. He took $67,100 per episode. Seo Ji-sub is a renowned Korean actor and a rapper, work in various films and secure 4th position in the highest paid Korean actors in 2021. He is also awarded with the Korean Academy Award. He has always given a very good role, and he always pick the best role for which he really take time to think that which role he wants to take and not. The next actor is Jo In-sung. He took $67,100 per episode. Jo In-sung is the actor who played the leading role in the Korean series like What Happened in Bali, The Great Battle, and many more. The Yoon Bin took $83,900 per episode. The world famous series Crash Landing on You actor Yoon Bin is obviously the 2nd highest paid Korean actor. He is very well known for his pure acting and wonderful performances, making him one of the top Korean stars. The whole world recognizes his acting talent in the very famous series of A Crash Landing on You. This series has broke all the record of 2021 and made once more the Yoon Bin a mega star, and this proves that he is really a perfect actor who always chooses to give a perfect drama and make everyone proud. Stood on number 2nd in a highest paid Korean actor in 2021. And now the number 1 actor who stood in the highest paid Korean actor in 2021 is Kim Soo-hyun. The Kim Soo-hyun stood on number 1 by taking the $84,000 per episode. The Soo-hyun is a leading actor of It's Okay Not to Be Okay in the 2021 drama and is the highest paid Korean actor in 2021. He was also ranked 2nd in the Forbes Korea celebrity list in 2015. His overall amazing performances makes him a top Korean celebrity star and rank him the highest paid Korean actor number 1 in 2021.